I don't like the programming community. People can be so toxic and make learning how to code not fun at all. I recently got a comment in my video where someone said, your code runs slower than my grandmother does. What? Ouch, alright. And then they go on to say, if your code is not good enough, don't teach anyone. I usually don't address comments like these, but I'm addressing this one because I specifically made a tutorial video explaining how to solve the spiral matrix because a follower asked me to. And I don't want my follower to read this comment and see that this code and think that the runtime frequency is better. I'm creating this video to educate you guys on why this code shared right here is not efficient. So right here on this line, you call result plus equals array.pop0. When you call .pop0 on a list, it removes the first element and every element inside that list will shift left. And the runtime of that is big O of n. And this will get called many times inside a very large matrix. And just to prove that this code is slow, I have created a matrix of size 1000 by 1000. And here's the code shared by the comment. And here we track the start time, and then we call the method, and then we track the end time. And by calculating the delta, we're gonna know how many seconds has elapsed. And here I do the same thing with the code that I shared in the original video. And here's the results. This is clearly slower than the method that I have shared. And just for fun, let's change the matrix to 10,000 instead of 1,000. And now let's run the code again. As you can see in the results, the code shared by the commenter took a whole 61 seconds to run, whereas the code that I shared took around 11 seconds to run. So the moral of the story is that you can't trust any code that you see online. Make sure to do your own due diligence and instead try to be someone that helps people and improves the community. If you want to learn how to code, make sure to follow for more.